Heyo! So we're going to do something a little different today because it recently came to my attention that I've got some knowledge that others don't seem to have. I don't know a whole lot about herbs and plants, but there's one particular variety that I can identify by sight, and I wanted to share that with you. Today we're talking about Solanum dulcamara, or Dulcamara, however you say the Latin phrasing for it, also known as bittersweet, because the berries are said to have a bitter taste and then a sweet aftertaste. Also known as climbing nightshade, because it climbs all over everything. And also nicknamed woody nightshade. Because the base where it touches the ground and the roots tends to be very woody in texture. So if you end up looking up any of those three names, you should come up with this plant if you want to learn more about it. But I'll tell you what I can about it for right now. So here I have a sprig of it, and as you can see, the flowers are really pretty with this almost purple fluted star look with a yellow beak coming out the middle. And like I said, the woody, very woody texture of the stem. And then these clusters of berries that start out this lime green, and then they turn into that bright maraschino cherry red, which is very, very beautiful and attractive to young people and pets and animals. All parts of this are poisonous. The green ones, when they're like this, are particularly deadly. You will die if you eat these. The red ones, you could probably walk away with a bit of a stomach ache, diarrhea, dizziness, and that sort of thing. You know, it's something you'd need to call poison control for anyways. Would not recommend testing. But yeah, just so you know the risks, I'm wearing plastic gloves while handling, simply because I know from further research on other nightshades that they tend to have protective instincts and release oily residue that can sometimes irritate your skin. So it comes back every year. It's very aggressive. I don't think it's killing this tree. This is probably the second or third year I've seen it in this spot here. And as you can see, all that winding, all of that vine is the nightshade. And I just noticed today that we're gonna have to do something about it eventually, because further down in this stream ditch here, there's more purple flowers and red berries. And then on the other side here, more purple flowers with green berries, red berries, more purple flowers, and just a crap ton. Oh look, a bee. Bees like them. That's good. Save the bees. And birds like them. That's how they get everywhere, because the birds will eat the berries and drop the seeds that are nestled inside. Everywhere. Just every freaking where. So that's my PSA. You know, supposedly if you're an herbologist, you would know more than I do in how to handle and mix these types of berries with other ingredients for your poultices or whatever. But I'm just making this awareness statement for those country folk who might not be even aware of nightshade in their yard. And if you have little ones, those berries, they're very pretty. They are. They look very attractive, and I don't know. I just worry about something happening, you know, if you're not watching them for just a second, you know. So just be aware and keep everyone informed. Have a good day.